I'm saying it looks like we did it for the movie, but it actually was authentic. Holy shit. Today's my last day in Shanghai. It's been 3 days since my last video, so theoretically I know 90 new words and phrases. Oh shit, that lady's bag just broke. Yeah, today I need to do 3 things, or right now I need to do 3 things. 1 is meet up with my friend Lukas for lunch. 2, I need to get a phone plan. And 3, I need to buy a train ticket to either Hangzhou or Suzhou or wherever I feel like when I get to the train station. Meeting at exit 8. Shanghai does an awesome thing where they number their exits. It's very easy to meet up with people. It seems pretty basic, but I've been to some subways that don't do that, and it's always a nightmare to find people. That guy. Oh my god. Honestly not staged. What a great guy. What a great guy.
But does it look very authentic?
I'm saying it looks like we did it for the movie, but it actually was authentic. Holy shit. Alright, we're going to grab lunch right now.
It's actually a 4.5 TripAdvisor dumpling place.
Perfect. I love dumplings, so this is ideal.
Oh wow. So I should update them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there was a huge line in front of the 4.5-star TripAdvisor dumpling place, so we chose to go to a very Chinese place, which looks pretty nice.
Looks very good. Got a lot of people in here. Food smells awesome. So yeah. Lunch with Lukas? Check. Well, that was pretty frustrating. Just spent maybe like 30 or 40 minutes in that store trying to get the SIM card, and we were passing around the phone back and forth, translating everything. He didn't speak a word of English. And I didn't end up getting it. He sent me to another store, to the headquarters. So, on to the next stop. Just got to the headquarters. Wish me luck for the video. You wanna say hi? No? So, SIM card, check. Now off to the train station to see if I can get a ticket out of here. It's already 3:54, which is pretty late. And I have a slight suspicion that I won't be getting out of Shanghai today, as I had hoped. Train ticket, check. I just bought my ticket to Suzhou. I guess I was worried for nothing about the timing. Yeah, it leaves in about an hour and a half. And then when I get there, I'll figure out hostels or wherever. Usually when I get to a new place, I don't book the hostel in advance. I usually just take the train or fly there or whatever. Go to one of the main areas and then just figure it out from there. So we'll see how it goes. Right now I'm gonna go grab some food. I'm at a hot pot kind of place. It's not really a hot pot, but you get to pick out your ingredients and then they cook it for you. It's delicious.
Oh, okay.
Now I gotta go get my stuff from the hostel, and then off to the train. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Ooh, that food was good. check out this sun. Wow, that looks unimpressive on the camera. Never mind. Alright, so I just got to the VIP train. It's right here behind me. I wish. Cool. It's a line for everyone else. But since I'm balling on a budget and VIP, I get to skip the line. That perk alone just made the VIP worth it. Basically like a $5 line skip. VIP was actually $5 extra. But anyways, so far it's paying off. This is the waiting room. I think there's a VIP waiting room, but the train leaves in like a half hour, and I have no idea where I'm supposed to go. Suzhou now. I said Shanghai to Shanghai. I've been trying to think of how to say that in a non-dumb way. It's not possible. I'm gonna go find a hostel, and that's it. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. It's like the most intricate game of pick up sticks you've ever seen.